Step 1. Clean the insulation area thoroughly and apply adhesion promoter to the surface. Step 2. Following the video, confirm the installation position. Partially peel off the protective film from the adhesive backing of the rain deflector. Once the positioning is confirmed, remove the remaining protective film while firmly pressing the deflector into place. Step 3. As shown in the video, use a pry tool to insert the 2 metal clips into the gap of the installed rain visor. Repeat the same steps to install the remaining rain visors.